For the first time in history, more money is being spent on housing for computers, server farms, than there is spent on architecture, office buildings for actual, real people. So, what does this tell us? Well, it tells us that computers have become immensely important, that they are already taking over our work, and that just less people are needed to work in offices. The weird thing is, it is presented to us as this would be a good thing. AI will do your work. Just in a few years, 50% of all work will be done by AI. Yeah, I mean, if you look at humanity as a whole, nice to have electronical servants who do the shitty work nobody wants to do anyway. But fact is, people are losing their jobs because of this. And that's a problem. And looking at it this way, it is really hard to argue that AI is such a good thing. It's especially weird when it comes to arts and content creation. I was on TikTok last night, and it was basically 90% AI generated videos. In the beginning they were funny, but they start to be very annoying, and they also scare me a little bit. I do not want to see how it looks like when Stephen Hawking is fighting in a wrestling ring or jumping down a ski jump. I do not want to see Bob Ross doing stupid things. I mean, what would Stephen Hawking think? Imagine. One of the greatest physicians of all times, and now people are making fun of him, and he's dead. So, well, back to unemployment and AI. In the creative industry, many people have lost their jobs already. I have a good friend who spent the last 10 years in Hollywood, California, working as a cutter. And he told me that most special effects guys have lost their jobs already. They are not needed anymore because now it's all CGI, AI generated. Many graphic designers lost their jobs. Nobody needs an illustrator. You can just let AI do it. And in advertising, same thing. A friend of mine had an advertisement, movie, video, clip, production company, and it just closed down. He had 12 employees, and now he's doing the same kind of work, but with only 2 people, because they use AI to generate their advertisement clips. So, good for him. He has less employees to pay. Bad for them, because they're not unemployed. So I think this whole AI thing is becoming really, really problematic. And sooner or later, we will need to stop this, simply because the goal of optimizing technology cannot be to make people unemployed, just so the rich become even richer. Well, and these were my thoughts on AI taking over jobs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to the channel to see me again. And here are some playlists. And that's it. Take care.